Third-party sound testing was conducted on an unbalanced 3 5/8" metal stud framed wall to compare the STC performance of acoustic sealant versus fire-rated drywall accessories. For this first test, acoustic sealant was used on all 4 sides, on both sides of the wall. The test rendered an STC of 50. The following test used the same drywall and studs, but all the perimeter sealant was removed, and Hot Rod XL was used at the head of the wall gap, while Fire Bead was used on the vertical joints. Hot Rod XL and Fire Bead provide a permanently flexible perimeter seal. Flexibility along the perimeter joints is vital to maintain STC values. And as demonstrated in side-by-side testing, it will improve the STC rating. This test rendered an STC of 51. For this next test, third-party sound testing was conducted on a balanced single-layer 3 5/8" metal stud framed wall, as if it was built on a project, not in a sound laboratory. The track and the vertical perimeter studs were hard attached to the test opening, not decoupled from the test opening. This allowed us to compare the STC performance of acoustic sealant versus fire gasket at the head of the wall gap. Here, in this test, acoustic sealant was used on all 4 sides, on both sides of the wall. The test rendered an STC of 45. This final test used the same drywall and studs, but the perimeter sealant was removed at the head of wall gap. Fire gasket was installed in lieu of the sealant. Fire gasket provides a permanently flexible perimeter seal. Flexibility along the perimeter joints is vital to maintain STC values. As demonstrated in side-by-side testing, it will maintain the same STC performance as acoustic sealant. This test rendered an STC of 45. For more information, visit codecompliance.info.